Hi, welcome to Lesson 5 on how to build a Raspberry Pi robot step by step. I'm your boy Sean, what's up? In this lesson, you will learn to use the Pi camera to record and stream video. We'll look at 3 different methods: the Python scripts, the UV4L method, and the RPi Cam Web Interface. We'll connect that Pi camera to the Rover 5 that we built in Lesson 3. The live video feed is a great application for search and rescue robots, for example. Let's first hook up this camera. Carefully insert the camera ribbon cable into the camera module port. My camera is mounted on the Rover 5. The current Raspberry Pi OS version I'm using is Buster on the Raspberry Pi 4. First thing we have to do is to enable the camera under Preferences and Raspberry Pi Configuration and Interfaces. If it's not already enabled, enable it and then reboot the system. Now that the camera is enabled and the system has rebooted, we could do a quick test to see if the camera is working by typing in this command: still -o desktop image.jpg. Okay, it's showing the preview. Hey, it took the image, and let's take a look. That's kind of cool. All right. Getting started with Python scripts to control the camera. Open a terminal window and type this command to install the library. My step-by-step instructions are available to download from the description area below. You can also follow the source website for the information. I created this file called cameratest.py. Here we'll look at the Python code to control this camera. First, we import the libraries Picamera and time, and we do the initialization, so camera is equal to Picamera. Okay, and you can rotate the image. I rotate it -90, just the way I have it situated at the moment. And I want to do a little test here just to see a preview. So I do a camera.start _ preview, and I'm going to preview for 3 seconds and then stop the preview. Let's run this. Okay, so we type in sudo python cameratest.py. Oh, there's our preview. Hi! Okay, now we're back to cameratest.py. Let's look at the Python code to record a video. So we want to start a preview just to see what we're recording. Okay, and then we do camera.start recording and select the path that the video file will be recorded to. How long are you going to record the video for? In this case, 5 seconds. And then we want to stop the recording and also stop the preview. Now if we want to take a picture, we can start a preview for a couple seconds. This is optional. But the important line here is camera.capture the path and image.jpg. So the picture will be stored in that JPEG file. If we enable the preview, then it's we want to stop the preview. Okay, give that a try and see how that works. This code is available in a link found in the description below. We'll use the UV4L streaming server with the WebRTC extension to allow streaming of multimedia content in real time. In our demo, we'll stream video from the Rover. Again, my instructions are found by following the link in the description below. First, start by using the curl command. Then, edit this file, sources.list, and add the line as shown here. Sudo apt-get update, and then install the packages as you see here. Once you follow these steps that I used to set this up, we're ready to start streaming. Open a browser and put in your IP address :8080/stream/WebRTC. For more detailed info on UV4L, go to the source website as shown. Now let's try this out. Looks like we have a pretty good stream here. This is on the main floor. I'm in the basement at the moment, but it looks like we have a pretty clear 720p image here. All right, let's head out to the deck. Okay, Looks like a very nice day out there today. Nice and warm. So cool, I could do this all day. Now let's look at the RPi Cam Web Interface, which uses an Apache web server. Here are the steps to follow. Look at sudo apt-get update if you haven't done so already. apt-get install git. Now we receive the package, and then you want to go to the folder where the files are copied to. Then install. Then you'll see this window here to install the Apache web server. Click OK. Once that's done, then you can open up a browser, enter in your IP address. For more detailed information, follow the source where I found this information at elinux.org. Keep in mind that you cannot have all services on at the same time. It won't work. Make sure to stop the camera in the UV4L service before starting the RPi Cam Web Interface, and vice versa. Alright, we're back on the deck here. Very nice day today. And it's a pretty decent video stream. But I am convinced based on these few tests here, that the UV4L method gives a little bit of a smoother stream than this method. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I know I had tons of fun. You learned how to take a picture, record, and do a live stream video using the Picamera. Your assignment is to implement the camera in your project. How will you use it? In a future lesson, we'll get into computer vision. But first, on the next lesson, lesson number 6, we'll talk about sensors and automation. I look forward to it. See you next time.